Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to add crack marks on a face. For this tutorial I have selected this image and we will add the crack marks on the face. So I have selected another image for the cracks. So let me get the skin color first and see the value. Let me copy this value and first let me try to adjust the color with this way. Brightness, contrast, maybe little, not so much. No brightness, this is okay. So let me check if, yeah, almost, yes, almost the same. So let me copy this layer and paste it over here. Let me resize it to 30% and center align. Still big. Let me 50%. No, 70. Yeah, 70 is better, I guess. Let me try 60. 60 is also better. Let me draw the guide layers for better understanding about the face. Because I now bring that effects on the cheeks. Yeah, seems a little better, but I have to move a little bit that side. Let's disable the guides and from your this menu just try to add the effects. I guess darker is better. And let me adjust the opacity a little bit and remove the unwanted area from the layer. Let's do it with that way and disable the layer and remove whatever is remaining. Yes, that's better. So I want to increase this effect little bit. Let me clone this layer, move it little bit here and remove the all other. So yes, I want to make it more prominent. Yeah, I guess yes. Just clone this layer, bring it up and make it darker. See the different effects like with dark, with multiple. This is multiple definitely. No, I don't like this one. I don't like this. I think I will go with the darker one. Not much big difference. So this is the way to put the crack mark. It's so easy. Just the key point is you have to select this texture and the texture tone is closely related to the skin color if you don't get the exact tone. So you will get such type of effects. This is up to you. You want to increase or decrease. You want to make it further prominent. Just make a clone of that one. Reduce the opacity for that one. So you will get further prominent cracks effect. I guess this is the better one. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe for more videos.